My knee pain of 6 months or more, which I had put down to a torn cartilage, cleared up during the very first listening to your knee MP3. Very impressive.
Really effective. My back pain stopped within 5 minutes. Thank you.
I was looking for hip affirmations because working directly with the physical body wasn't working, and it was very clearly linked to emotional pain. My hips are starting to feel better already, and it was truly useful when my hip was in its most extreme pain. This is absolutely wonderful. I was very skeptical, but this seems to really work wonders for all sorts of things. Neck pain, gone. I broke my ankle and I don't use my crutches like I should. I dislike the boot they gave me to wear. I know it's an emotional issue I need to solve. I used to listen to Louise Hay and her little blue book, so I do know about certain issues we have relating to spiritual, emotional cause. The first time I used your meditation, I was pain-free for 3 or 4 days. The pain came back, so I need to do it every day or every other day until I clear it all. Thank you so much.
I went to the doctor for a follow-up, told her of your amazing meditations, and when she checked my blood pressure, it was the best it has been in years. I have been using the grief and trauma affirmations each night. The results speak for themselves.
Unresolved emotions can manifest in our bodies as discomfort and tension. Our guided meditations use powerful affirmations to release emotional blockages and help your body heal. Discover the healing power of affirmations for pain relief. Try meditations tailored to your body's needs and feel the difference.